Welcome to the Weather Center. Tuesday afternoon saw a cold front developing across the western parts of the country, and this together with the cut-off flow in the upper levels of the atmosphere maintained wet weather across the western parts of South Africa. We also stayed with strong winds blowing into the western half of the country. Now on Wednesday we are going to see cloudy, wet and cold weather spreading from western South Africa into the eastern sections, with this cold front expected to hit Gauteng in the afternoon. We are going to see yet another cold front moving into western South Africa. Snowfalls are forecast around Lesotho as well as the northeastern parts of the Eastern Cape. It's going to stay pretty breezy along the southwest coastline, and the winds here will gust up to 55 kilometers per hour. Strong winds are also forecast across much of the Northern Cape and the Free State. Fresh northwesterlies around Gauteng and the KZN coastal areas. It's going to be partly cloudy for much of KwaZulu-Natal, with afternoon and evening thunder showers forecast around Newcastle and Ladysmith. Wet weather is also forecast for Port Shepstone and Kokstad. It's going to be pretty wet across much of the Eastern Cape, with chilly afternoon temperatures forecast over the northeast. It's going to be mild along the coastal areas. Port Elizabeth peaking at around 19 degrees. It gets cooler as we go towards the Southern Cape areas. Look at Beaufort West managing a high of just 11. It's going to be overcast and pretty wet, with widespread rain over the southwestern areas, where Cape Town should peak at just 15. We are also going to see wet weather persisting along the west coast, spilling into Springbok, where afternoon temperatures are going to plummet further. It's going to be cold over the eastern parts of the Northern Cape as well as over much of the Free State, where rain and thunder showers are forecast for your Wednesday. Bloemfontein peaking at just 13 degrees. We are also expecting rain and thunder showers across the northwest. Top temperatures here will lie in the upper teens and lower 20s. It gets a bit warmer as we go towards the Limpopo province, with thunder showers expected over the western and central sections. Musina and Palabora will stay dry with partly cloudy skies. Partly cloudy as well from Bombela and Skukuza, but thunder showers are forecast across the Mpumalanga Highveld areas as well as over Gauteng, where Soweto and Johannesburg will manage highs of just 17 degrees. It's going to become dry on Thursday for Gauteng, but staying chilly for Johannesburg. Wet weather persists for the rest of South Africa. We end the work week with dry weather for the bulk of the country, with chilly temperatures and wet weather along the east coast.